Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Who is new here, I'm Lucie, a wife and a stay-at-home mom with a gorgeous 1.5-year-old boy, Maximilian. My videos contain lots of organizing, cleaning, healthy cooking, DIY projects and way more. Today I'm cleaning my fridge and freezer. It needs some organizing and decluttering too. Okay, I'm taking everything out. This way I can see all food, what we have inside, what is expired and has to be thrown to the bin, and what we are missing and should buy. All the clear shelves are going out for a good deep clean as well. Also, I couldn't stand the bad smell inside of the fridge anymore. We've got some unpasteurized cow milk cheese and we forgot to put it in an airtight container. Even a glass with baking soda didn't help. This trick usually helps with bad smells in the fridge, but this time it didn't. I usually do cleaning of my fridge before we do a huge shopping. Do you clean before shopping as well, or anytime you feel for? I found out that this way I don't need to deal with so many things taking out and putting them back in. It speeds up the process a million times. Now I used hot water with white vinegar and baking soda. Hopefully it will help with the bad smell.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away.
After wiping and scrubbing everything down, I like to dry the inside of our fridge with dry cloth. It's a good trick how to see if you cleaned all the stains. Here I'm cleaning a little bit of the outside of the fridge, but later in this video you can see I decided to take all our memory magnets down and deep clean the outside surface as well.
Every day I decide if we'll ever see the sign. I ignored all
these shelves for so long. It needed a good scrub. Before putting all back inside, I am drying all with dry cloth. I mean, the water on them should not freeze, but my OCD doesn't allow me to put anything inside with the water drops on it. Crazy, eh? First, I put all the shelves back and then start filling in with food items. During editing this video, I found out that my battery in the camera died, so I don't have a footage of me cleaning the box of fruit and veggies. But trust me, I definitely did it. I like to take the eggs out of the container that it comes from the shop and place them in my transparent container. A perfect solution how to track your stock and see when you need to put them on your shopping list. I like to keep my eggs in the fridge for longer freshness and avoiding salmonella or any other health problems. Do you guys do the same, or do you prefer to leave them out of the fridge? Let me know down below in the comment section. When I wanted to put the orange juice back, I found out that I put the middle shelf too low. Then I wasn't sure if I want to have a glass of juice or not. But I love when the juice is nicely chilled, and because it sat outside for a while, I decided to put it back in for cool it first. It looks so empty now. We definitely have to go shopping ASAP. This is the next day. I was going to clean only my fridge for this video, but then I thought I should look at our freezer too, and good, I did it. Luckily my freezer is not that big, so it will be easy process. You cannot see it on the camera with all the lighting that well, but it was so nasty.
We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up.
I think one of my lemon juice cube leaked and froze.
Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try.
inside the hole that well, so I took a butter knife and used it for all the badly accessible corners and edges with my wet cloth. It worked pretty good. What do you think?
At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try.
I'm dating all the food that's going inside the freezer. Then I can see so easily what I should use first and what it shouldn't be inside for a very long time. It makes decluttering so smooth and fast.
At least it was worth a try.
I think I did pretty good job, don't you think?
Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend.
And now outside of the whole fridge. It needs a new look. And what is the best option? Take all the magnets down and wipe it with a magical razor.
I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't,
Surprisingly, it works so well.
ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder.
We had our wall calendar attached to the fridge, but I wanted something different and hang it on the actual wall this time.
I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride.
Now we can see much better everything what's planned for the current month. I'm so happy how it turns out. It feels like a new kitchen appliance. I have to get used to it though. Hope I motivated you enough to get your fridge and freezer nicely cleaned and organized. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, giving me a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like that. It's totally free and it supports me so much. Hit the notification bell too next to the red subscribe button. Then you won't miss any of my new motivational videos. See you next time. Bye!